Most people think branding is just the logo design of a brand. If that would be true, then to become successful, every brand just had to design a great logo and they would become successful. Hi guys, this is Hildaya and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'll explain what exactly is branding. Whether you are new to graphic design or brand designing, or you're a client looking for design services, this video is just for you. Let's start with a simple example. Say, two people are selling the exact same coffee. They have the exact same taste, they have the exact same quality of coffee. But their marketing and branding style is totally different. Person A is selling their coffee in a plastic cup. They have no branding, they have no boards, nothing. They're purely selling themselves on the taste of their coffee. They are pretty confident about it, so they didn't bother to do anything. Person B, remember, is selling the same coffee, but they opted for experience. They are selling their coffee in custom branding, personalized business cards. They are also giving free stickers with their coffee. Who do you think you would like to come back for a coffee? Person A or person B? I know 90% of you have chosen person B because they created an experience for you. They were not just selling the coffee, but they were selling feeling of coffee. Yes, branding is so much deeper. Let's get to what exactly is branding. We have divided branding into three parts. First is visual identity. It is what people see. Example, logo, the colors, the typography, packaging, website, social media visuals. Second is brand personality. This is how your brand feels and sounds. It includes tone of voice, messaging, brand values, and brand story. And then comes the brand experience. It includes customer service, packaging experience, website usability, social media interaction. With a clear understanding of all these, your brand can become an experience rather than just an aesthetic. And it can truly attract the right kind of audience and help you communicate your brand values, personality to your customers. For example, if I want to start a pet cleaning store, as a brand owner, I would know that people are very conscious and very protective of their pet. I want them to feel that this pet grooming store would be the best choice for them. So, how exactly I would be able to communicate this? Or some people would say it's marketing, advertisement. Marketing is really more technical, making an email strategy, content strategy, SEO, these type of things. But if you don't know the personality, if the base is not clear, which is the branding, then marketing would definitely fail. In order to make myself credible and trustworthy, firstly, I would have a clear brand positioning. People trust brands who know exactly who they are. I would communicate what I do, how I can help the people, and why I do what I do. To build trust, I would be consistent with my branding. I would use same colors, same typography, same tone of voice, and same visual style all of my surfaces, whether it's social media, whether it's packaging, or whether it's website. Everywhere I would use the same visual language. People would get familiar with the brand and it would make my brand more trustworthy. With brand strategy, I would make an authentic brand personality. I would share my stories, share the behind the scenes of a store, honestly about my work, be consistent in the language. Yes, it's a high time now Stop asking designers to create just a logo for your brand, because people more than ever want to have a brand to connect authentically, more than ever need a brand which understands their problem, communicates them friendly, have a trustable personality on which they can trust. I hope now it's clear that branding is so much more than a logo. And if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel to help me grow. Until then, bye.